Hello everybody, straight from the waterfront we have a very interesting specimen. This may come as a shock to some of you, so be prepared if you don't like spiders. This is a very special version of, I think, Black Widow, a kind of gray widow of sorts. Check her out. She's pretty big. Looks very clear to be an hourglass. What do you guys think? Wow, she is very big. She's very pretty though. Alright, that's our little segment on her. I hope you enjoyed seeing this very rare specimen of a widow. Have a good night, folks.